Right guys, so today we are going to go over how I would start on Etsy, and in this video we have a list here of the most popular niches for 2023. These niches are going to be quite saturated, but I'm going to show you how I would set up a store that is going to be focused on wedding jewelry and accessories. So here we have Etsy, right? And we're going to start with a simple search. We're going to type in bridal rings. Okay, so the type of thing we're looking for is accessories that people can wear to their wedding, they can give to their bridesmaids, they can wear to and attend a wedding, and it's very popular. The reason for this is you're not just going down the generic jewelry route, you're now adding a little spin on it, going into a new sub-niche inside of jewelry, which is bridal. So here you can see we have some really cool looking rings, right, which could be nice for the bridesmaids, but now we're thinking, okay, the main part of the wedding is the wedding ring for the bride. So now let's change search result. Let's go for a bridal bracelet. So here we have nice pearls. Pearls are very nice for bridal. I know a lot of stores that do very well selling bridal jewelry focused on pearls. So that's in the mind. Okay, maybe we can look into that down the road. Then again here, nice pearl wedding bracelet, crystal pearl bracelet. So this looks like it's a store focused on wedding jewelry, right? That's a very nice bracelet. Alert wedding jewelry, 142,000 sales. Okay, so it's got some very nice products. How many has it got? 916. So we'll save that. We'll keep that up, right? That's now in the back of your mind. So down here again, we have some more and more. Look at all these reviews on these stores. You can see that this is a big market to be in. Okay, and all I'm doing is I'm just scrolling, right? So now maybe we could change this to bridesmaid bracelet gift. Sorry about the background beeping, that's the gardeners. But here, okay, so there's that bracelet again. You can see Allure wedding jewelry is really dominating. And then look here, personalized stuff. Let's have a nice look at this. So it's a set. You could get it as a set. So just think a bride, she has 4 or 5 bridesmaids. They all need to wear a matching set. Now you're selling one of these and you can engrave the bridesmaids, initial onto it. And guess what? Now the bride is buying 6. Okay, so it all works together, right? So I'm going to have a little look now, find some more stuff, and then we're going to be sourced. Okay, so now here we can just right click, search goods on AliExpress, and look at all of these. These are suppliers that are now selling these pieces of jewelry with engraved initials on, personalized, right? So you imagine you're reaching out to a bride who is preparing for her wedding. She wants everything to be perfect. Okay, now you've came in with these really nice pearl bracelets, personalized, just what they're looking for. Okay, and now, as I said before, she's got 5, 6 bridesmaids. Each one has to have one. And then you are now getting mass orders, okay? You are now getting bulk orders of 5, 6 products, each at, £20, $20 a go. There you go. You get a few of those in a day and you're making good money. You just need to make sure you stand out. And if you want to do that effectively, you need to constantly be looking at the competition, constantly seeing what's selling on your store and on other stores. Are people, this time of year, are they wanting pearls? Is it winter weddings? Okay, do they want more snowflake oriented? Is it summer? Is it, that's when the pearls and whatnot comes into effect. But here's that product here, as you can see. Look, and it's already done. So you can do silver, gold, choose which letters you want. Boom, 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 boom. And then it's a good supplier. It's a good price. They've sold 700, and people are happy with them. in the reviews, so you know, okay, this would be a great product to sell. It also comes with these pearl earrings, you know. So look at that, we found a winning product there in just a few minutes. And now just think, when you break it down, okay, here's another one, right? Here's, you know, a bridesmaid gift. It's a bride giving it, you know, an invitation to her friend to be a bridesmaid of a nice jewelry piece in a box. And you know, you can sell things like that. And then you can sell earrings, jewelry, bracelets. You can go into a whole bunch of things, and then you can sell these type of things where it's people being invited to their weddings. And then you really get down a whole different avenue. And once you do that, you can work out what works. And doing that, you're going to build up your store very nicely, like this one. You know, 916 listings. How long have they been on the platform? Since 2014, 142,000 sales. So that's all it is. It's finding good products that people want, selling them, and then tailoring off there. Okay, look at these keywords, what they found it with. I can put more products like that in front of those potential customers. And then it's the personalized touch. It all flows together, and it all helps you build up your store. And now, just from sourcing products that are already existingly doing well on Etsy, you can build up your initial store and do very, very well. Appreciate you watching this video, guys. If it helped, be sure to drop a sub, and I'll catch you in the next one.